just took this bone out, okay, same side, but other corner, you'll see a natural seam, okay? That natural seam goes all the way down through. What we're going to do, we're going to take two parts from this. We're going to follow this natural seam, all right? And as you'll see, there's a big old hunk of solid meat, and then there's this sort of loose stuff over here off to the side. We're going to separate both of those two sides from this giant fat cap that runs across the entire top of it, okay? And to do that, we're going to use our seaming technique, okay? Where we kind of pull with the offhand to show us where to cut. And we're going to peel it right off of that fat cap. Okay? So there's the solid one. We're going to go right back. So now here's that fat cap, and here's the loose piece of meat on the other side. We're going to do that exact same method. Early team this afternoon or this morning was doing exactly this. Not that difficult, okay? Shows you right where it wants you to cut. Okay? So now, we have our fat cap, we have our loose piece, we have our cottage butt. Okay? This loose piece right here, we're going to turn into 1" by 1" cubes. You can see this, they're sort of random pieces just like this, alright? But what you're going to do is you're going to try to, as best as you can, shape these pieces into nice looking 1" cubes. Now, you get big pieces of hunks of fat like this. We have to trim those off of the cubes. It's still usable trim, but if we send out a 1" cube that's 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch of fat, that's going to get on some old lady's plate. That old lady's not going to complain. She's going to go home. She's going to call up all of her friends in her bridge club, and she's going to tell them about how she came to your restaurant, ordered a nice pork stew, and all of it was fat. Alright, so now we got to keep track of quality here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim that little piece off. Alright, this guy right here. You, yeah. Over here. Cubes. All of this. Cubes. Keep this to the side. We're going to tie this off as a roast. Okay? So here's your tying practical. Here's your cubing practical. Between this and what we're going to do with pork loin, that is your boning practical. Okay? Only in culinary school where you get a boning practical. Get advanced boning technique. Okay? You guys think you can handle this right here?
Yeah.
Go ahead at it.